corner, representing the beast ITT Himachal Pradesh, trained under the coach Kapil Dev. Make some noise for Mahesh.
There's Mahesh Yadav, guys, for you. There's Mahesh for you guys from the red corner. He is representing Beast ITT, Himachal Pradesh. Beast ITT, this is the third fighter of Beast ITT we're seeing tonight. Those guys have performed really well, especially in the defensive jiu-jitsu department. Let's see what Mahesh has to offer.
Facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night, be clean. Living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah. I'm the warrior.
Here we have Vijay Yadav for you guys, fighting out of Fit and Fight Club. That's the tail of the tape for you guys. Mahesh versus Vijay. So Mahesh is a really good striker, and also he knows how to get out of tricky spots in grappling. He's escaped a guillotine submission. But then again, when you talk about Vijay Yadav, Vijay is a very well-rounded fighter, and he puts on the pressure right as soon as the bell rings. So we commence the fight. Vijay putting the pressure early on, lands a good combination. That's what I'm talking about. Vijay does this in almost all of his fights. He puts on the pressure early on. So Mahesh needs to be calm and composed and use his striking to his advantage. Mahesh is a good striker as well. He just needs to use that to his advantage.
ज़्यादा हो रहा है हिप थ्रो मार ज़्यादा वेट आगे ओके नाउ विजय पिन हिम अगेन विजय पमल करने का ट्राई कर हाँ बेस फाइटर
So he's trying for a hip throw.
हाँ सही कर रहा है यस
डिस्टेंस बना के विजय डिस्टेंस बना के स्ट्राइकिंग कर डिस्टेंस बना के डिस्टेंस पे रख
विजय तेरे स्ट्राइक्स बहुत अच्छा कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं
यस नी मार नी विजय
Vijay using that striking, creating pressure. He's already caused a lot of damage on Mahesh. Mahesh seems to have been cut.
Vijay is hurt by the way.
हैंड कंट्रोल पे नी से
They're on the ground now. Vijay will look to Vijay will look to transition into a mount position and he's going to go for the ground and pound.
तेरा हेड उसके चिन के नीचे डाल.
He's done that previously in his fights, looks comfortable. So the advantage of Vijay's striking is he doesn't let you breathe, he doesn't give you breathing room. He keeps landing those strikes,
मार चल विजय.
he keeps striking and building pressure.
विजय आप.
विजय tripod and roll.
That was a good reversal by Mahesh.
Yes, yes.
Both of them standing now.
दोनों हाथ से फ्रेम कर वो हाथ को. याद कर सर ने क्या सिखाया था. फ्रेम कर और बाहर निकल. गुड. तेरा राइट हैंड निकाल बाहर. तेरा राइट हैंड निकाल बाहर विजय. तेरा राइट हैंड
नीचे स्विच कर दो ना. राइट हैंड निकाल.
राइट हैंड.
और
यस
switch कर.
यस. अगेन अगेन वापस ऊपर ऊपर. बॉल यूज कर विजय. गेट अप. कुछ नहीं विजय. बॉल यूज कर ऊपर उठ.
Mahesh is doing good grappling wise.
पमल कर.
He has good control on Vijay.
तेरा लेफ्ट वाला हाथ जो है पमल कर. यस. तेरा राइट हैंड पमल कर. राइट या लेफ्ट हैंड. यस यस यस. गुड. विजय हिप थ्रो.
And Mahesh is being smart. He's towards his corner. You can see his coach from Beast IDT instructing him. So he's taking those instructions. Those are going to be really, really helpful in a jiu-jitsu situation. That is what is evident. And he tries for a trip takedown. Vijay recovers really well. Vijay needs to create some distance and maybe strike.
मार. उठा. खींच इसको. विजय.
So that's Prithvi Gulla instructing Vijay from his corner. So before we begin round 2, let's just discuss a few outcomes. So I feel like Mahesh is doing good on the ground. He should try to take the fight on the ground. Vijay will not let him, have some breathing room on the ground. He will relentlessly strike. But then in those strikes, sometimes there is an opportunity for a submission. And as far as Vijay is concerned, he needs to build pressure. He does it very well. He's very effective at that. He needs to do that. And there's a good chance he might be able to overwhelm Mahesh.
उसके देख. Remember. Step out.
Start with a couple of strong calf kicks.
चल. Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. That's how Vijay creates pressure.
हाँ पमल कर. पमल कर. पमल कर और distance.
Mahesh trying to hook the leg. Can he get? And he secures a trip takedown. A really nice takedown.
Yes. Good. Back.
So maybe Mahesh needs to use some of the jiu-jitsu.
Good, good, विजय. अंदर दोनों पैर अंदर लेके आ. उसको विजय तू रोल कर सकते हैं मालूम है. तेरे राइट शोल्डर पे.
Good use of the hips by Vijay.
Explosive roll ले.
Hips have been
अभी पमल
proving
कर.
to be a
विजय,
really
total
good
जैसे
defensive
बना.
jiu-jitsu tool,
विजय,
especially
अभी
using
वापस
alligator
roll मार
rolls
सकता है.
and just basic hip throws forward. Not hip throws, hip extensions forward.
अंदर आ. नहीं पंचेस पे टाइम वेस्ट मत कर. यस ग्रिप रोल. पमल कर. यस ये हाँ उसके फेस पे विजय डाल. गुड. हाँ अरे छोड़ा क्यों. अगेन अंडर पमल कर विजय.
So they're backed up against the cage.
अंडर पमल कर.
Now could be a good opportunity for Mahesh to take Vijay down. Because if he slips up in this attempt, Vijay is going to start striking. Vijay is in his corner. You can see Prithvi screaming instructions. So definitely he's at a strategic advantage at this point. Let's see if he can capitalize on that. Mahesh is doing exactly that. The cage becomes a tool which assists you in your takedown. You just need to use it effectively. Mahesh is trying to do that. He is succeeding, but Vijay's defense is nice.
Cross face. Yes, अंडर हुक डालना वो राइट हैंड से. Yes.
अब switch कर उसको.
Yes.
उसको wall पे, उसको cage पे डाल.
विजय, come on man, you need to
वहाँ
show
से
some
निकल.
energy. चल. You got this.
चल.
Yes. हाँ.
Excellent defense by Mahesh. The sprawl was so good.
पैर ऊपर राइट लेग डाल. उसको थोड़ा खींच और राइट लेग डाल. खींच और राइट लेग डाल. हाँ राइट लेग डाल. हाँ वापस. Yes. सिंगल लेग फिनिश कर. पीछे जा. Yes, good. हाँ, knee tap, Vijay. Yes. विजय पहले कंट्रोल कर.
नी को कंट्रोल कर. नी को कंट्रोल कर उससे तेरे पैर से.
हाँ, एक पंच छोड़ते रहे, नी कंट्रोल कर. जैसे सर ने बताया था, संजीवन सर ने बताया था, स्टेप करना है एकदम से. पहले कंट्रोल, ब्रीथ. पंचेस छोड़ रहा है, हार्ट छोड़. जो भी पंच छोड़ेगा हार्ट छोड़ विजय.
Guys, just notice this. So yet again, this is defensive jiu-jitsu playing on. So Vijay could transition into a ground and round, but Mahesh has the underhook in. He's also putting the knee shields in. So really good jiu-jitsu by Mahesh on the ground. It's a scary situation to be in, but he's defending well. Again, he has that hook in, so he's doing well. And the round ends. Both of them did a phenomenal job.
In the night when the world is asleep, we stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing at the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing at the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah.
जीतना इजी है, डोमिनेट करना है. लेट्स गो विजय. जो मैंने बोला वो ट्राई कर. गार्ड अप.
So that's Sanjeevan sir, the founder and promoter.
पुश किक, टिप किक सब यूज कर विजय. एवरीथिंग यू गॉट. चलो
विजय.
So we commence round 3.
रुक मत.
यस.
सब डाल. हां सब डाल. डिस्टेंस रख. पकड़ मत. डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर. विजय स्ट्राइकिंग में अच्छे से ले सकता है.
विजय हाँ ठीक है. सिंगल लेग पकड़ा है, फिनिश कर. उसको खींच और तेरा लेफ्ट लेग आगे डाल. हाँ अरे लेफ्ट लेग डाल. यस.
So Vijay has Mahesh on the cage.
उठा उसको उधर से. उठा.
This could be a tool for a good takedown.
चलेगा. अभी वापस.
But Mahesh is defending really well. He isn't allowing that takedown to happen. So that's good job from him.
डबल सिंगल सब.
Vijay dragging Mahesh to his corner, getting some insights from his corner.
गुड. विजय तेरा लेफ्ट लेग होल्ड डाल. लेफ्ट लेग डाल. यस. तेरा हाथ निकल. स्विच कर बैक पे. हाथ बैक पे स्विच कर. यस. वापस. विजय राइट लेग डाल.
Both of these fighters are showing good displays of both offensive and defensive ground game.
You are beautiful striking man.
It's a delight to watch this because you get a lot of insights if you train jiu-jitsu.
Come on man. चल. Show some heart. चल. Vijay, you're winning. Try कर. Again.
So up against the cage, good time to have a takedown.
छोड़. हाँ. Finish कर. Strike नहीं करना है. Finish कर. तेरे पास अभी भी सिंगल लेग है. हाँ. तू राइट साइड पे सिंगल पे स्विच कर सकता है. तू बॉडी लॉक ले सकता है. तू घूम. तेरे लेफ्ट की तरफ घूम. वो देख बैक पे जाएगा. गुड. अभी तेरा राइट लेग होल्ड डाल. विजय डायरेक्ट राइट लेग.
चल राइट लेग डाल.
राइट लेग डालेगा. माउंट है. राइट लेग डालेगा. माउंट है.
हां चल देख. अब धीरे-धीरे ऊपर जा.
Come on विजय.
चल.
विजय you need to work. बॉडी लॉक ले. तेरे राइट हैंड से क्रॉस फेस ले. उसके हेड को दबा नीचे.
वो पैर निकाल के साइड माउंट पे जा.
The body follows where the head goes.
चल हां साइड माउंट उसको निकाल.
कुछ नहीं है. रोल मार. वापस ऊपर आ. कुछ नहीं है. फिनिश नहीं है. बॉल यूज कर. कुछ फिनिश नहीं है. विजय you need to get out from that.
So Mahesh is attacking Vijay's right arm.
अपना हाथ पकड़.
He's twisting it. He's got a good submission lock and Vijay had to tap to it. That was a crazy Kimura by Mahesh. Amazing job by Mahesh at this. Let's see if Vijay is okay. Mahesh performed really well. This is what I'm talking about. Beast IDT guys have got really great jiu-jitsu, especially in positions when they are not in the dominant position. So he reversed the position, locked in a Kimura, and great job by him. Amazing job. Was a delight to watch.
In the night when the world is asleep, we stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night, we green, living life like it's more than it.
After 2 minutes 32 seconds of the third round, we have a winner by way of submission in the blue corner.
And Mahesh takes it. Beast IDT gets a win. Crazy performance by Mahesh. Really good jiu-jitsu. The takedowns were solid. Vijay did a good job too. Props to both of these fighters.